Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a portfolio on the Asana application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the home button down below, which is the first option, and then click on the portfolio section at the top of the screen. Here you should tap on this plus icon down below in the right side corner of the screen, and then type in the name of your portfolio. Tap on the OK button, and here you can see that your portfolio has been added. It's in the recent section, so if you tap on it you can add your works to it or projects that you have created, so you can check them out in this section. So here you can see the status is implicated here, and you are free to add as many projects and tasks to your portfolio as you want to. If you tap on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen, you can also edit your entries that has been added to this portfolio. So you can get rid of the project by tapping on the this minus icon and then the remove button. So as you can see, the entry has been removed from your portfolio. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.